How are we doing today, Shaun?
Good, how are you?
Doing pretty well. Body's treating you well?
Yep.
Okay. Let's take a look. Any discomfort when I bring the legs up?
A little in the hamstring, but I worked out yesterday.
Oh. And the left side is shorter, so we're going to do an adjustment for that first. Lay on your right side facing me. So we're going to bring this up and out. Right here, ready? Good. And then let's go into the other side. This side, we're bringing the hip down, so I'm going to bring the knee up a little higher. Going right through here. Is that comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
So a little push down and out. Good. Let's go back onto your stomach. Should be nice and even now. That's perfect. Good. So now we're going to do some extension up through here, right in here. And that's going to help improve the curve in the lumbar spine.
Okay. I will say I had a massive left side tension headache yesterday.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's really tight through there.
Yeah, my shoulders always.
Is that tender when I press here?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to do an adjustment here. Good. And same thing on this side. Good. And we'll go knees up, hands behind the neck, fingers interlocked, elbows up to the sky. Nice deep breath in, and let it all go. Good. Okay. And you said it was on the left side?
Yes.
And how far did it up into the head did it go?
I'd say it went to about here.
Mm-hmm.
But I tried to massage here from what Dr. Maris told me in the past.
Mm-hmm.
It helped a little bit, but I ended up having to take an Advil because I was like, nope.
Ah.
I
And
drank a bunch of water and then I rubbed it and it still didn't.
Still didn't go away. Is that tender when I press up here?
Mm-hmm.
And then down here?
Mm-hmm.
More on the left side.
Yeah.
So we're going to do an extension adjustment here. And then lateral glide on C1 after that. Good. And we need to get C1. So I'm going to use the activator, but first we're going to do a couple of stretches here. That's okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just a big stretch, no pain?
Nope.
Perfect. And same thing on this side. And put your legs down. We're going to do one to the center. Okay. And then I'm going to have you lay on your right side. Bring this up like a pillow. And we're going to use the activator to get the lateral glide on C1. So that way we can go straight across. So right here. Good. And then let me have you come on up. Take that for a test drive.